Thanks for tuning in with Tilde. Today we'll be covering how to download a payout details report. Payout details reports are useful for reconciling individual transactions within a payout. Tilde has several different ways you can download your payout details report. The first way is over in the reports page. Once you scroll down to your payout details section, you can click on the Generate Report button and you'll be able to see the different options to customize your payout details report. You'll be prompted to choose a specific account along with the time zone, date range, and columns you'd like to include. If you don't specify an account, then you'll generate a payout details report for all of your accounts. The column section will allow you to choose between showing the default columns, all of the columns, or customizing which columns you want included. By clicking on the Custom Columns option, you'll be able to select which metadata you'd like to include along with which details you want shown. This allows you to pick the best options right for your business needs. Once you're ready, you'll click the Generate button and that report will appear below the Payout Details section along with its processing status. Once it has successfully generated, you can click the Download button along with the corresponding line to download your CSV file. If you download multiple Payout Details reports, your previous reports will still be downloadable within that same section. The second way is over in the Payouts page. You're able to filter payouts on this page by merchant, status, amount, and date. You can also click on the settings icon on the top right corner above the payouts and customize which columns you want shown. You can clear your selected filters at any time. As long as you have a date selected, you're able to click on the Download button to the right of the Settings button and download a CSV file with your chosen filters. If you want to see the payout details of a specific payout, you can click on the arrow button on the right-hand side or anywhere within the chosen line, and you'll be taken to the Payout Details page. Scroll to the bottom and there will be a section showing the individual transactions for this payout. You can download a CSV file with all of the information related to this payout by clicking the Download button on the top right-hand side of the chart. Check out our YouTube page for other delightful tutorials and follow us on LinkedIn and Twitter to see what we're up to.